Welcome to Thao Duoc San Co, a place that brings natural secrets to help people over 60 live healthy and walk confidently. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night because of painful leg cramps, making your sleep disappear? That pain not only makes you lose sleep, but also makes you worry about your leg health, afraid that you won't be able to walk like before. But don't worry. Today, we will reveal a 5-minute ginger tea recipe right in your kitchen to help reduce cramps, increase circulation, and bring good sleep. This is the secret that thousands of people 60 plus are applying to regain healthy legs. Stay, because in just 5 minutes, you will change the way you take care of your feet forever. First, please like, subscribe to Thao Duoc San Co and ring the bell to receive weekly health tips. Comment now, how long have you had cramps? We will help personalize the solution for each person. Let's get started. Leg cramps are the enemy of people over 60. They often appear at night, when muscles are stiff, blood circulation is poor, or the body lacks potassium and magnesium. Many people think it is an inevitable sign of aging, but that is not true. With natural herbs and a few small changes, you can relieve pain, sleep well, and walk confidently. Uncle HOA, 62 years old, used to stay up all night because of cramps. But after using this ginger tea recipe, he slept better, his legs felt lighter, and he even walked 30 minutes a day. What is his secret? Let's find out. This 5-minute ginger tea recipe is simple but powerful. Ginger contains gingerol, a substance that helps dilate blood vessels, increase circulation, and relax muscles. When combined with honey and lemon, it adds potassium, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory properties, which effectively prevent cramps. Here's how to make it. Step 1. Boil 1 cup of water, about 240 milliliters. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. You can use powdered ginger if you don't have fresh ginger, but fresh ginger is better. Step 3. Simmer for 3 minutes to dissolve the nutrients. Step 4. Turn off the heat, let it cool slightly, then add 1 teaspoon of pure honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Stir well and drink while still warm, 30 minutes before bed. It tastes delicious, warm, and after just 3 days, you will feel your legs lighter and your sleep deeper. Ladies, foot cramps are not fate. With this 5-minute ginger tea recipe, you are on your way to getting good sleep, strong legs, and confidence when walking. Herbal medicine is here to accompany you on your journey to healthy living at 60 plus. Which part of this recipe excites you the most? Or share, how are cramps bothering you? Comment now, we read every comment and will suggest a solution just for you. Like the video, subscribe to Ready Herbs, and share it with a loved one who needs this tip. Don't forget to download the free PDF in the description. The next video reveals 3 5-minute exercises for stronger legs. Don't miss it. Live healthy, move confidently, and see you at Ready Herbs.